All right, hello. My name is Nicholas Carbonara, and today I'm going to be demonstrating the functionality of my website, Cephalopedia. So this is an online database to show all of the different species and taxonomical hierarchies of cephalopods. So let's begin. So this is our homepage, and it's demonstrating the highest level of cephalopod, which is class, and it has two superorders, coleoids and nautiloids. So let's jump right in and get down to a species. After selecting coleoids, which is a superorder, we are presented with the next set of links, which is the cohort. I can either choose to go back or forward to the next level, which is cohort. So let's continue on to decapodiforms, which are 10-armed cephalopods. So we have squids, cuttlefishes, and various different ones. Again, we can go back or continue. So let's continue down to these, which are cuttlefish, and this is an order, and we can continue down to next further level, which is the family. So upon getting to a family, we can actually update any sort of information with family, as well as adding a new one. So let's keep going down to the genus level. We have an image again, the name of all the ones below it. Going down even further, we are at the species level. This is the most specific level in the taxonomical hierarchy. Here's the scientific name, the common name, an image, the genus above. Here we can edit anything we want. So if we think that we misspelled it, we can write it like this, which is actually the wrong spelling, but as you can see, it's now spelled cuttlefish instead of cuttlefish. I'm just going to go back and fix that real quick. Another function is showing a random species. So as you can see here, it cycles through all the different species, presenting the same information if we went through the actual hierarchy. Now there's also an add species function, so let's take a look at that. So we are first prompted to add any of the if our species falls into any of the families below. Now the reason it starts at family is because every cephalopod order and above is added to the database, so this is the only level that is not fully complete, and all the ones below it may not be fully complete. So I'm just going to take a look at what I want to add. I'm looking to add this species, which I have in my notes. So let's take a look. It's sorted alphabetically. And does not appear to be here. So we're going to say no and input the information. I'm just going to copy it from my notes. We don't have an image URL, which is fine. And we know that it's in the Cephalopedia family or order. So we're going to add the family, and now it takes us to adding a new genus. We're going to do the same thing. Copy this. So we're going to be copying this information. Again, no image URL. And this is the most recently added one. Add the genus. Finally, we're going to put in the common name, which is the striped pajama squid. The binomial scientific name. The image URL. And then add the species. And as you can see, we've now added the striped pajama squid.